let's talk about my favorite iPhone photography subjects. The lenses. The 3 lenses that come with the iPhone. It's like having a 13 to 77 millimeter optical zoom lens, or it's like having 3 optical prime lenses. Now I'm shooting with the iPhone 13, but this is equally relevant to all 3 camera arrays starting at the iPhone 11. iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. They all pretty much operate the same. You have the 0.5, which is the ultra wide angle lens. That's the 13 millimeter, 35 millimeter equivalent. And then you have the 1X, which is, depending on what model you have, anywhere between 24 and a 26 millimeter equivalent. And then on the 13, the one that I'm using here, you have the 3X, which is the 77 millimeter equivalent. So it works like this. Forget all that technical stuff. All you're talking about when you're talking about lens is the angle of view. So 0.5 is the ultra wide. You have a wide angle of view. And then the 1X, you have a narrower field of view or an angle of view. And then with the 3X, you have an even narrower angle of view. 0.5, 1X, 3X. 13 millimeter, 24 to 26 millimeter, 77 millimeter. And when I'm shooting, you'll see I'm going between all the lenses all the time. It's like having either 3 fixed prime optical lenses or the equivalent, lo and behold, of a 13 to 77 millimeter optical zoom. And it is, you know, the 24 to 70 is probably the most popular big camera conventional zoom lens in the market. That's what we got with the phone, a 13 to 77 millimeter optical lens. So when you're shooting, don't be just stuck on the 1X. Shoot the 0.5, the 1X, the 2X, the 3X, boom! Have fun with it.
Thank you.